Przykro mi, że skończyliśmy tylko ze srebrem, ale mam nadzieję, że to srebro oswodzimy sobie razem w Warszawie po przyrodzie i zamieni się w złoto. Do zobaczenia. Bardzo serdecznie dziękujemy wicemistrz olimpijski Bartosz Urek. To była wielka przyjemność. Bartosz Urek, lider tej reprezentacji, kapitan tej reprezentacji. Mam nadzieję, że przyjdą do nas jeszcze inni zawodnicy, bo podczas rozmowy z Bartkiem tutaj zapraszamy, tak, zapraszamy Grześka Łomacza. Na początku był kapitan.
Dobra. Julia, Nina, Gdansk. Dobra. Nina, Gdansk. I przewrotka. Kacper, proszę bardzo. Całe dwa. Janek, górnika. A zabrać prawdopodobnie Norweczka. Proszę bardzo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dobra, trochę chaotycznie, ale docisną do 9. Franek W. Proszę bardzo. I Michał. Proszę bardzo. 1, 2, 3. Dobra, mamy 3. Michał. 3. Takie 2,5. Dobra, 2 pełne. Dziękujemy gorąco, gratulacje panowie, życzymy dalszych nie jest to koniec radości. Ale zaproszę do wystąpienia niepełnoletnie, osoby trochę ciężkie urodzone, najlepiej osoby, które grały w tak wiedzą ogólnie o co chodzi. Chciałbym powiedzieć, pierwsza drużyna, druga drużyna. No więc tak, moi drodzy, liczę sobie leżaki, czyli każda drużyna przyjdzie.
Hello from Stogi Beach in Gdansk, Poland. Beach Adventures with Chris are exploring new country and new beaches. Alright, to be fair, it is not my first time in Poland. I have been in Poland several times before. I had even been to Gdansk in 2015, 9 years ago, also in August. But back then I didn't have a YouTube channel and I didn't filmed my swims, even though I have been swimming back then also as well in the sea. So now it's time to document that and showcase on my channel my beach adventures in Gdansk. At this beach, Stogi, it is actually my first time that I'm here, as last time I have only visited the beach Jelitkovo and the ones that goes around Sopot. So Stogi beach is a very popular beach in Gdansk that's located just 10 kilometers away from central Gdansk. And you can easily get here by taking the tram number 8 that runs every 20 minutes. And even there are some buses as well. It's a huge, long and wide sandy beach, and I have now went a bit further from the main beach because it was too crowded, way too crowded. There seems to be some kind of also some event there for the Olympics as well, watching some kids doing some quests. So I'm now here actually closer to the industrial zone where the beach ends. And there is actually nobody here, and it's so quiet and nice. It's just the sound of the industry port over there that you can hear, but I rather hear that than people screaming all around. So yes, beach adventures in Poland finally will be shown on my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments if you have been to Poland, in which cities, and have you swim when you were in Poland, because I want to visit also some more cities in Poland in the future. It doesn't need to be on the sea, it can have like a river or a lake that is safe to swim, and I will visit it. I'm thinking Krakow and Warsaw. So let me know if you have any nice beaches over there for me to explore. And I can come there also in the winter as well. I'm no stranger to cold. Yes, today we have 23 degrees Celsius. Right now it is almost 5 p.m. And in the sea we have 21 degrees, I just measured. But look at how long this beach is, probably around 3 kilometers. And wide, I can tell maybe 150 meters approximately. So yeah, it's huge, it's huge. And I remember also the beach that I visited in 2015 on the other side was also this. It was even longer and even wider as well. So yes, Chris is in Poland and I will be showing you the beaches here in Poland. This Stogi beach actually, if you go towards the coast, there is even a nudist beach that I'm going to try to visit later and see how it is. But it's probably the same texture as this one. So let's see. Right, so I have arrived in Gdansk at 9 in the morning. It was just a 1-hour flight from Stockholm, and it's the same time as Stockholm. And I have been exploring a bit sightseeing in the city center, the old town, and that just let me tell you how crowded it was. It was people everywhere. I was like, what is going on? I mean, maybe because it's just a small place there in the center and everyone is going there, so maybe that's why. Because Gdansk, it's only 500,000 people, but there are many tourists that come here, as Gdansk has many low-cost airlines that fly here with like Wizz Air and Ryanair, but some more. And there are many flights actually from Stockholm. There are maybe probably 10 flights per day from all the airlines. So maybe that's why lots of tourists, especially on the weekend, because today is Saturday, 10th of August 2024. So with that said, let's go in now that the sun is back and take a swim. My first swim this year in Poland at Stogi beach. Indeed, marvelous. So the Baltic Sea is the same sea as we have in Sweden, and these kind of beaches are more characteristics on Gotland and Ireland that I have visited also. Poland I visited 2 months ago, and as well as in Skåne when I was for Eurovision in Scandinavia and Falsterbo. It was the same beach like this. In Stockholm we don't have this kind of long sandy beaches. We have more rocks. There are a few sandy beaches as well, of course, but these type of long beaches are more for the southern part of the Baltic Sea, where Poland lies. All right, so yes, then it's time to take a swim here at Stogi Beach. So let's go! Yes, this is the sea. This is the sea for sure. Oh, amazing. It's gonna be a super great long weekend, as I'm gonna be here for 3 days. I'm leaving on Monday evening, so I'm gonna be exploring as many beaches as I can here in Gdansk, and maybe I'm gonna head also to Sopot and to Gdynia. Those 3 cities are actually combined into one and to one big area as such, one region that they share. So yes, then that's a wrap from Stogi Beach, the public beach, and we're gonna head now later to explore along the coast and do these beaches so to show you how is the atmosphere over there. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Stogi Beach, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.
All I want